Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about Reflect.apply. So, what Reflect.apply does is the this method which call a target function with a arguments with a specified, like the apply method, like that. And what gonna we do is log in on a console. The log in on a console, use the reflect method dot apply, and pass an argument math dot apply and comma undefined. We will do undefined and pass an inside array. Inside that we will only give 1.75. so when we do that, it gonna make as a nearest possible rounding. So what happen is it will be changed into 1. So let's see, I did a type error. Oh, sorry about that. It will be math dot floor. So when we do that, answer must be 1. So the math flow method, if you don't know, you can check it out. I have a full math tutorial on playlist. Log it on a console and reflect dot apply, and I'm gonna make string to char from char code, string constructor. What we're gonna do there is we have a method called from char code. I already talked about it earlier. You can check it out. I will it is in this same playlist, so do that. Pass undefined comma, and we will send our array 104 comma 101 comma 108 comma 111. So if we change this into a string, it should be hello. So hello. Oh, I didn't do that. So 108 hello. See, ENES, American Standard Coding, that it is. If we change like that from 9, it would be humlo. You can check that out on the website. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.